Today, we're decorating your very own insulated tumbler. Let's make something fun, colorful, and totally you. Let's see what's inside your kit. You'll get one double-wall vacuum-insulated tumbler, BPA-free cup and lid, one silicone straw cover, one silicone ring, one straw, one design stencil sheet, one purple metallic marker, one dark turquoise metallic marker, 185cm turquoise cord, 185cm purple cord, 2 cord end caps, 2 round metal buckles, and 2 strips of tape. Before we begin, rinse the tumbler, lid, straw, and accessories with clean water. Then dry everything completely. Ask an adult for help if needed. Let's start by putting your tumbler together. Take the silicone straw and gently push it through the lid opening until it pops into place. Place the silicone straw cover onto the straw. Now stretch the silicone ring around the edge of the lid so it fits evenly all the way around. Twist the lid onto your tumbler until it feels nice and secure. Great job! Set your tumbler aside for now while we make the braided handle. Now, let's make your braided handle. Lay the turquoise and purple cords next to each other and fold them in half. Push the folded middle through one cord end cap, then pull the loop out a little on the other side. Tape the folded ends together. Make sure the cords are bunched together in a small circle inside the cord end cap so they're easier to push through. Next, let's attach the first cord end cap. Each cord end cap has 2 clear pieces. The big clear piece is the tube where you'll push the cords inside. The small clear piece is the part that twists into the big piece to lock it closed. Look closely at the big clear tube. One side is smooth and open inside, and the other side has grooves where it twists shut. Take the taped cords and push them into the smooth side of the larger clear tube piece. Pull the cords through until about 1 to 2 centimeters stick out. Place the cords between the 2 little plastic arms on the small clear piece, then push and twist it tightly closed. If you see loose strands hanging out, gently push more cord inside before twisting again. Time to braid. Spread the 4 strands out so you can see them clearly. Cross the 2 middle strands to make an X shape, with the strand on the right cross over the strand on the left. Now take the left outside strand and move it over 1 strand into the middle. Take the right outside strand and move it under 1 strand into the middle. Keep repeating the same pattern until your braid is as long as you want it to be. Go slowly and gently pull the braid as tight as you go, so it stays neat and sturdy. Once your braid is finished, hold the 4 strands together at the end and tape them tightly. Push the taped end into the second cord end cap and twist it closed the same way as before. Clip 1 metal buckle onto each end cap. Your handle is almost ready. Next, clip the handle onto the silicone loops on your tumbler lid. Give it a gentle tug to make sure it feels secure. Now for the fun part, decorating. Choose your favorite stencil sticker design and carefully peel it off the sheet. Place the stencil onto your tumbler and press it down firmly. Use the metallic markers to color inside the stencil. You can outline first or mix colors for cool effects. Add patterns, doodles, your name, or any fun designs you can imagine. Carefully peel the stencil away to reveal your finished design. Let the ink dry completely before touching or using your tumbler. Once the ink dries, your design will stay on your tumbler, so take your time and have fun. Twist the lid on tightly, then fill your tumbler with your favorite drink. You can sip with the straw or slide open the lid and drink directly from the spout. Amazing job! You just made your very own personalized tumbler and braided handle. Take it with you to school, sleepovers, sports, road trips, and more. To keep your tumbler looking great, hand wash it gently with mild soap and water. Don't microwave it, and try not to scrub over your marker designs. To help prevent staining, avoid leaving colored drinks inside for long periods of time. Want more fun ideas? Scan the QR code to join our VIP list. Get free printables, discounts, and creative surprises from your friends at Purple Ladybug, bringing you creativity through crafting.